Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off WhatsApp status view receipts. So if you don't want people to know that you viewed their WhatsApp status, you can turn off read receipts. So to start, open WhatsApp. Next, click your profile or you in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and click privacy. Next, scroll down until you see read receipts. Now what you need to do is to turn read receipts off. So toggle it off just like so. So if you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. So read receipts are always sent for group chats.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So once disabled, people generally won't see that you viewed their status. However, there's a catch. You also won't be able to see who viewed your status. And that's it. So again, open WhatsApp, click your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and go to privacy. Scroll down from here until you see read receipts and just toggle it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching.